tensing up.
I'm not.
You are. Your back's tense and it's making the rifle jump. You're holding it wrong. Here, let me show you.
I don't need you to show me, Paul.
I guess not.
You'll show me and you'll just run off again or something. It's better I teach myself.
I ain't going nowhere.
Whatever you say, Paul.
Don't be like that.
Sorry.
Wolves been after the herd. Gotta get out there and scare them off. You wanna come with me? Safer with two.
Okay.
Come on! The dog will soon sniff them out.
You can't be tired already. We can't do this on foot, can we?
Go! Come on! Where are them wolves, boy?
Find us a wolf, boy!
Come!
That's a good boy!
Easy.
You're gonna land us both in the dirt!
Whoa. Get after him, boy!
Where are they, Rufus?
Where are they, Rufus?
Where are you?
Let's go.
Get after him, boy!
Come on, easy up now. Come on, he's picked up a scent. Stay with me. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Go find him, Rufus. Yeah.
You can find him, Rufus!
Come on.
Wait! Let me catch up!
Go get him, boy. He's found him.
Let's go! Easy!
Yeah. Watch yourself now, son. They might turn on him.
Come on! Oh, what are you doing? Come on! We can't stop now! This is what you get for stealing our cattle! Don't give up now! Let's keep moving! How many are there? Yeah! There we go.
I see him. Let's go.
What are you doing? Are you gonna mount back up, Pa?
Come on!
Come on!
Damn it! They're coming!
Are you coming or not?
Let's go! Hey! Whoa! Let's go! Get him, Jack! Steady, Jack! What is that?
This one's mine!
Remember what I told you! Slow down! Stay alert now!
They want you!
Whoa, whoa!
See one! Come on!
Yeah! Whoa there! All right, we should head back now. We got out further than I thought.
Whoa!
Go!
How many did we kill? We'll be after our cattle for a while.
That was some good shooting, son.
So can I go out hunting by myself now?
Hold on there, cowboy. You ain't ready for that yet. One step at a time.
Aw, please, Pa.
We'll go out again soon. Catch something nice for your ma to cook.
I reckon I could kill a bear, no problem.
I ain't gonna tell you again, Jack. You don't leave the farm without checking with me first, you hear?
Yes, sir, I hear you. Pa, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Where-
What?
That place where they held us. Ma shouted at a guard one time, and he yelled that you were a murderer.
Maybe. But I live my life believing there's a difference between killing and murdering.
Not for the person who's dead.
No. And I guess I've been both. That's how it goes. We all do what we have to survive. And sometimes it ain't pretty. And in the end, we pay the price for what we did.
Like those rustlers who attacked our cattle?
Exactly. Look, when I was a kid, things were different. Rules were different, but that's over now.
You know, we could be outlaws, you and me.
All we did was kill a few wolves.
Well, I read a book about a father and son who robbed banks. One-Armed Willie. That was his name.
I'm happy with my 2 arms, if you don't mind.
Just imagine it, though. John and Jack Marston. Most wanted men in the West.
And what about your mom?
Well, I mean, we'd still come home.
You live in a dream world. It ain't like they tell it in books. And it ain't no way to live life. It was ugly and brutal. Whoa there. You're turned into a decent hunter, son. But try to stay out of trouble.
Head.